So let's just get into it. We're going to squirt some Lottie Body and begin the plucking process, which really means thinning out this edge so that it will look more natural. And that's that. So we're back just like that, okay? After that little bit of plucking, we had to change locations. But we're in the, I feel like it could be plucked a little more. But we're just gonna get into cutting the lace and we'll, I'll, do that. Pluck it a little more here shortly. But this, I might take this comb out right here because this is a pain in the butt. Like, all right, now it's too far down. All right, so this is a whole bunch of adjusting, and I'm no professional, but you know, making it do what it do. So they have, I guess my head is a little bigger. This shit I feel like should be over my ear, but on this side it's not either. It's more behind my ear. It's like where the, I guess they combine the lace across the top. But we're gonna cut into this bad boy and go from there. Just gonna cut this way. I really like cutting it when it ain't on your head, but we can do it. You can try it out. Might do turn out a little better. So, and I'm gonna do this glueless. I don't want it and then you gotta watch this band right here. I don't know how the hell. I mean, okay. So you wanna cut around your ear, the shape of it, like an upside down U. You don't really want to cut too much into the construction of the unit. So what's comfortable for me, just shift this bad boy over a little bit like that. But see, it's like, it's got this weird, everybody here ain't shaped like that. I don't know why they did that. But it hurt. We're gonna make it work. All right. Yeah. All right. So it's just a matter of moving and ooh, shit. Tugging and moving and get it where you want it to be. And then not ripping the goddamn. I'm gonna lace off the front of the thing. So we're gonna go in at a, it's already started here. Zigzag motion and try not to butcher it. Looking in the mirror, y'all. Make it your own. Just shape your head. All right. One side down. This side here. So go in and lay her down. We're gonna be in the money with that. But my sideburns, like, maybe I got the clips too, cause this is pulling, giving me a little, it's pulling back. Like, hold on, shorty, relax. Well, it might be the band too. So my head ain't small, y'all. So it might be the band. I'm gonna have to, all right. Just like straight glueless mode for real. It ain't going nowhere. But I needed to come a little more forward. So that's what it's all about. Getting it, wiggling it around, getting it precisely on your head the way you like it, to your liking. So this is just little, you know, too. You know, figure it out with me, because I'm, as you can see, trying to get this thing right. So around your ear, we're just gonna go around your ear and try not to do too much damage. And then, okay, so that's comfortable around my ear. Like that. See, the ear's not bending, that's just a shadow. See, so that's snug, and we get rid of that. And then you do the same thing on the other side. See, that's that glueless look. Okay, close up, back up. Need to be plucked a little more. Definitely pluck some more. All right. And then do the same on the other side. Is that where it's at now? This ear. Little hair part of my eye. And we try to do what we did on the other side. Oh, did not do that. Okay, still good. You wanna kind of leave a little right here to cover that sideburn. So I'm gonna go up around my ear, kind of using my ear as my guide, and not closing the scissors all the way so you don't cut off, cut off the hair. All right, that's comfortable behind my ear, like so. And then I'll cut that off. It's comfortable behind my ear now. Hopefully y'all can see that, but we're gonna pull this down. This one don't really have no, we're gonna have to finesse her when we tack her down. If we do, because you know you can do it glueless. Gel-less, sprayless. Let's do it. Because this joint got like a perfect view. Ain't nobody got to have it. We need that joint to be narrow. Yeah, yo. And then you zhuzh it. Put this lace off the back. There you go. And you in there. So. This front piece gonna irritate myself. All right. There we go. Cut it off. I'm gonna do that in my hand because I got some hair right here. I ain't slick back and I ain't trying to cut off my daggone edges. Hope y'all enjoy.